Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to add a video slider to your website using Depictor. Our website already looks great, but adding a video slider at the top could make it even cooler. Let's create one together. First, let's install the Video Slider plugin. It's easy. Go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New Plugins. In the search bar, type Video Slider. Depictor should appear in the results. Click Install next to Depictor. Once installed, click Activate to start using it. To make our slider, we'll use a ready-made template. From Depictor in WordPress dashboard, head over to the Templates section and choose the Video Slider category. They all look awesome, so let's pick this one and import it to get started. Just make the slider look like your website. We'll start by changing the colors, texts, and the fonts so they match everything else on your website. Do the same for all the slides. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Let's take a peek at your amazing slider in the preview. It looks fantastic. When you're happy, just hit Publish to show it off on your website. To add the slider to your main page, head over to the Pages section. Find your home page and click Edit with Elementor. We'll remove this section and replace it with a video slider. Once deleted, we'll add the Depictor slider widget and choose the slider we just created. Let's save our changes and check out the final result. Our homepage looks awesome with the video slider at the top. That's it, folks. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching the video.